Hello, traders. How are you doing? Long time no see and long time no speak. I hope you guys are good. Into today's video, we are going to be delving much into the best, when is the best time to trade, and also how to turn small accounts into big accounts, how to flip small accounts into big accounts, like the simplest strategies on how to go about that. But before we proceed, don't forget to like our videos, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment, and so on and so forth, so that we can reach as many people as we can, right? We are all about preaching the Forex gospel, you know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. So the simplest way of having, let me say, you find, there's always people saying you can fund your account, you need lots of money to trade, right? You don't really need a lot of money to trade. You just need a strategy. You just need a simplified strategy that works for you. And you can fund your account with, if you are used to trading small accounts, stick to trading small accounts and flipping them to big accounts. You can fund your account with $10, or you can fund it with maybe $40, or even $100, right? But so you need to know that, what you need to know is, you need to know that you can't make $1,000 overnight. You can flip $10 into $1,000. You can flip $40 into $1,000. You can flip $100 into $1,000, or even $2,000 or whatever, right? But the thing is, you can't do it overnight. More like compounding your profits, right? So the first thing you need to do is, you just need to take your small account and set yourself a target. Sometimes you don't even have to set yourself a target. If you can double your account, or if you can make maybe a third of the account, and then you relax. Let's say, for example, you take your $40 account and you make maybe $20 today, and then tomorrow you flip it again, you make another $30. That's like $50 in how many days? In 2 days, right? $50 in 2 days. And then what do the next day? And then as you do this, you withdraw your profits, right? You withdraw your profits, and then as you withdraw your profits over a certain period of time, you can take maybe a week or two to make $1,000 from $40, right? Unfortunately, people come with the mentality that if you trade or if you do forex trading, you can just literally take $100 account into into $2,000 or whatever. It's possible, especially when you are doing, when you have mastered trading fundamental analysis, or you're trading news, or your economic news, right? But what you need to know is, you need to be consistent with this thing. We don't want to play a game of luck. We need to be consistent and know that this is what our life depends on. We need to know that if we lose money, we are losing money, and we want to be making money, not losing money, right? Because as if you take 5 steps forward, and then you take 10 steps back, you are literally not going anywhere. You are just moving around in circles, right? So it's important to always compound your what do you call it? Compound your profits in that manner. Withdraw your profits, make profits, withdraw, make profits, withdraw. Over time, when you look back, you realize that you've literally doubled or tripled your account in less than a week, or even a week and a half, or something like that, right? And then the other thing would be, when is the best time to trade? When is the best time to trade? The best time to trade will be, usually it's when, like right now, we have what we call A lot of traders around the world are back from vacations and whatnot, because in the summer a lot of people go on holiday, especially in Europe, and those are the guys who move the market. Those are the guys who are really liquid in the market, right? So when the market opens, like when the London session opens at 10 a.m. And the New York session opens at 3 p.m., those are the best time to be trading. But the best time to be trading is when there is a lot of volume. And when these people come back from holidays like now, it's winter time in the northern hemisphere. Like now, so they are all indoors, back from holiday, back from your Ibizas, back from your Maldives, back from your Zanzibar, your Dubai, your whatever, back from holiday, literally, back from Africa, and they are now in-house, on the trading floors and trading. And this is the best time to be trading, especially from round about November up until March next year. You will see even the market, it will be so easy and seamless to be trading. And the best time to be trading would be when the New York session is open, and also when the London session is also open. Like from 3 p.m. Botswana time or Central African time up until 7 p.m. Those will be the best time to be trading, because there is a lot of volume and so on and so forth. And also when the London session is open, there is also a bit of liquidity in the market. There's a bit of volume, so you can literally see, even when you go to your charts, to check, right? When you go to your charts to check, you will see that I don't know which one I can pick. You will literally see that, for example, if we look here, this was around when the market was not moving here. When the market was not moving, just here, this is AUDNZD, just here, this would have been around 11 p.m. in the night. You see, 11 p.m., we move on, 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and then round about when the London session opens at 10, you see the market starts dropping like crazy, moving and moving right into the New York session. It was still selling and selling and selling. So the best thing to do is to wait for the right moment and know that the volume starts building from around 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m. and then boom, you pull the trigger, right? So I don't know. You can look at literally anything, and also you have, even if you are trading gold, you will see that with gold. Look, this was around 1 p.m. when gold was crashing like crazy like this. This was around 11 a.m. up until 6 p.m. After that, you see the market goes quiet. You see here the market goes quiet. Here, from here to there, this was around 10, 11, all the way up to 6 p.m. And then here, there isn't a lot of volume in the market. After that, look, it starts moving again. If you look at the time here, you can check. It was around what time? Around 1 p.m. when the New York session was just about to start. Then the market starts rallying all the way up to that previous resistance, and then it pulls back. But on Friday there wasn't a lot of volatility, because the previous 2 days there was this movement, down movement, rejection here, pullback, and then another pullback here. Right? So it's always important to know when is the best time to be trading, when is the best time to be out of the market and just watching the market. Because from Phakela, you just have to watch the market, and like from Phakela about 7 a.m., you can't be trading because there isn't really a clear direction of where the market is headed. But as soon as the momentum builds, and then the London session opens, and then the New York session opens,